So this is about the order which is placed by the EA in Spectre through the bridge, and it's about when it's placed. That is, you see, the entry is 12:58, so an hour and 58 minutes. So I believe how you said it would work is that the order, if the second order is set on true, it won't be placed, the second order that goes by the end of the hour, because you cannot choose a time. And for the order, the first order, it would be placed anyway, when I read 58, it means that we're very close, really, there to the hour, but there is also the possibility that the expiration is, how can I say, not valid anymore. If the expiration is 15 minutes, and if we have here less than 15 minutes left, then also we should have not the second order, even if set on true, to be placed. But what about the first order in those two cases? First case, when there is less time that you can find an expiration that will expire before or at the bar, at the end of the bar. That's the first thing, because here, so you see it was placed at 58-55 seconds. It's a long time. Trust me, 1 minute, it's a long time. And I believe it's Spectre. It has nothing to do with, you speed up the system, but maybe they don't find somebody, or they're slow. They're fucking around with it. Unless you have a miracle way, but it's sometimes 10 seconds or 10 seconds, it's really the minimum, and sometimes it's very long, so it doesn't depend on us. So two questions. What we do with the first order when it's very close to the hour, what we do with the first order when it's less than the expiration. I've noticed that, unfortunately, it's placed the first order, as you can see, even if there is, it would be okay for me if it expires at the hour. But you see, it expires 15 minutes after. The expiration time was 15 minutes on that trade. And the second order was not placed. So second order anyway not placed, but again, this is about the first order. And if you can make it like it's at the end of the hour, I would say okay. If not, we don't take any of them, and that's it. Regarding the first order and the expiration time, I don't know what to tell you about that one. I would say let's not take it. Let's not take it, and not for neither of them. If there is not enough, when we don't do it. So if the order is happens at 46 and there is 50 minutes left, it doesn't take neither the first one or the second one. Maybe I will see it's a bad idea and it can be changed, but it's the most logical one for when we want to keep it simple.